Oh my god. Ryan here, Silly Reviews. This is episode 3 of I Hate Facebook Marketplace. This episode focuses on how to make a purchase, how to initiate a buy from Facebook Marketplace like a decent human being. Now, I would like to start this off by saying I'm a day, 2 days away from hitting 10,000 subscribers. You can see there on the screen 9.99 thousand subscribers. So if you're watching this, you're not subscribed, you want to help me out, get to that threshold, that 10,000 mark, 15 years in the making, give or take. But here we go. Here's the screen that may look familiar to all of you. Facebook Marketplace. You're shopping, you're looking to do business. I'm going to show you how to initiate a conversation with a seller, how to get your purchase started like a human being. Main page for me, Facebook Marketplace. I see a garage sale. I see something that can ship to me. Lots of stuff that will ship to me. I like local stuff. We're talking about when you want to purchase something from a fellow human locally, you want to get the conversation started. Can we meet up? I'm ready to purchase it. Interesting. If we look over here on the right side right here, that looks like some sausage dookie-doo. It's called black pudding. It's in a nearby city. It has my attention. Let's say you're interested in that. You click on it. Analyze your photos. If I was interested in something that looked like dookie and it was called black pudding, it was $10. All the information is now in front of me. What is the price? The price is $10. What is it? It's got two pictures to show me what it is. Looks like sausage. Black pudding sausage? I don't know. Here's the seller over here. That's Cora Vincent's. This is a new person. Joined Facebook in 2021. That gives me some information about, is this shady? Is it not shady? It doesn't look like what they're selling is shady besides the fact that it's a home-cooked meal. They probably do not have their permits and licenses to sell cooked food. A lot of people do that. Regardless, it's not applicable to you. You're the buyer. You don't know any better, right? Claim ignorance. What I would do here, instead of clicking the automatically filled out question of, hello, seller, is this still available? And hit send, which everybody does. And then I guess they go to sleep, they ignore Facebook, whatever. Go ahead and highlight this, delete it, and type out a personal message. That way they know you're not somebody who's just clicking the is this available button. So I would say, hi, this looks pretty good. When can I pick up an order? Question mark. I would send that to this person. They would really feel confident that I'm legit. They would say, hey, this is Cora. I can make some for you tomorrow. What's a good time for you? They might tell me I'm available from noon till 7 p.m. Then I would reply back, hey, Cora, thanks for replying. I can come around 3 o'clock. I'll be coming from, name your neighborhood, your city, location, whatever. Would, 3 o'clock be good for you? Yes, and they'll probably give you their address. Maybe they'll give you their phone number. You could give them your phone number, or you could say, hey, my phone number's 985 bloobity blobbity whatever. Send me a text when it's ready. I'll come and pick it up. That's how you order. You buy something from Facebook Marketplace like an actual human being and not some jerk who just hits the button and just ignores the seller when the seller's like, yes, it's still available. Would you like to buy some? And you never reply ever again. That's how you do it. It really is that easy to be a decent human being and to initiate a transaction between two people. They have something they're selling, a product, a good, a service. And if it's something you want to purchase, read about it, look at the pictures. Is there a description? This one in particular, I don't see many details. It says delivery is available, located in St. John's, Antigua. So all the information's there. Read, look, analyze, think before you type. Get rid of that automatically filled out message that asks if it's available. Type something genuine in there. Get it done. Get whatever it is you want to purchase. It's that easy. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. This is episode 3 of I Hate Facebook Marketplace. I'm teaching you how to purchase something, how to be a buyer on Facebook Marketplace like a decent human being. Thank you for watching. You can look in the playlist, look through my videos, make sure you subscribe and see the other episodes past and, depending on when you see this, the episodes that come after this, because there'll be more, because there's no shortage of retardation when it comes to Facebook and Facebook Marketplace. Thank you so much for watching. Ryan here.
Silly Reviews. Silly Reviews.